Okay, next move with the C chord, Dust in the Wind. Here we go. There's, and I'm just going to strum through it. The first move is C chord, then take your first finger off the first fret and do the strum. All right? Now, if you want to incorporate, which I think you should, if you want to incorporate the finger picking you have, if you saw the video all the way to the end, you'll see what I just did. Remember, these three fingers. Okay? That's step one. And, you know, you can hear our first finger still on the first fret. The next move is the same pattern with this hand, but take your first finger off the B string. Now, what I would do in order to practice this is, I would, even though it's like the correct way of doing it is, I would just go between those two. Now, you might find that your picking hand gets a little weird. You know, wait, aren't I in control of my brain? Am I not in control of the brain? Didn't I just spend like 2 weeks doing, you know, why can't I do this? It's okay. You know, you add something and all of a sudden it's like, man, where did everything else go? All right, here we go. This is how I would do it. Again, obviously from listening to me try to play this, it's terrible. You know, we're getting there. There's progress, but how would I practice this? I would go. See how I'm completing that cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'm taking my first finger off and doing that 7-step program again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's just take it from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm just going to put it back on. I'm just going to go in between this and write my own song. That's one way of doing it. Hang tight. I'll be back, and I'm going to show you another way of maybe doing this if you want to separate things further. Okay, just as I promised in the previous video, let's say we're going to take this out of it, which is generally how I do things. Here we go. Make that C chord. What I want you to do, because step one for your fretting hand was make that C chord, make sure it's clean. There, if you have that, you can do that, make that C chord and clean, then you're ready to go. Now, in the second video, we learned how to take a first finger off. So if you want to, you can go strum with it on, strum with it off. That's actually C major 7 chord. Or C major 7. Why? Because you have C, E, G, B. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. There's music theory for you a little bit. How do I know it's a major 7? C, D, let me see here. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7. Where's the third? C, D, E. What's the root? What's the root or the tonic or the 1 of a C chord, of a C major chord? C. C. There you go. C. What's the third? C, D, E. Wow, all right. What's the fifth? C, D, E, F, G. Oh, wow. C, D, E, F, G. What's the fifth of a C major chord? C, D, E, F, G. There you go. There you go. What is the major 7th? What is the 7th of a C major chord? C, D, E, F, G, A, B. There you go. That's the 7th. There you go. All right. There you go. That was a short little music theory moment. I'm not sure if I gave you what I was supposed to. No, I didn't give you what I was supposed to do, so I'm going to do that now.